Hey folks, it's Mark again, and I took the time. I felt better after taking a break, and I got the clock all up and running. Um, Again, it plays music on the hour and half hour. One day, chalet, cuckoo clock, AMS movement in it. And so if you're having problems with your cuckoo clock not playing music or not even cuckooing, it might be the plastic tube that goes down to stop the governor fan is either missing or not adjusted right. And again, that plastic tube is to allow the governor fan to stop immediately after the last note of the music is played. That way the brass pin doesn't come further back in the hole, preventing the next time it plays or cuckoos, preventing the cuckoo from tripping the lever. If it's too far back in the hole, it's not going to trip the lever. But I've been meaning to repair that clock for a while. There was somebody that had a question about the clock. I answered their question, but I had to fix my clock. So anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I got several more clocks that I need to repair, to include this triple chime clock that I just recently purchased, and a bunch of novelty clocks that I have, but plenty to keep me busy. Please leave me comments. Please hit that subscribe button, and may God bless each and every one of you.